of at least 34 Sabungeros between the period April 2021 and January 2022 has become one of the most high-profile unresolved cases in our country, linked primarily to sabong or online cockfighting operations in arenas in Luzon. This case actually revealed possible collusion between private operators and law enforcers, thereby exposing the darker side of gambling in our country. Ang tanong ko po, these are actually just factual, addressed to the DOJ, ASEC, Cruz, and Prosecutor Reyes. How many cases exactly are there filed with respect to this case of missing Sabungeros?
What I have mentioned a while ago, ma'am, there are 7 cases.
And at what level? Is it at preliminary investigation level or already with the court?
According to the National Prosecution Service, they have just finished the evaluation of these cases, and the docket number is about to be signed, and there has been a certification issued by the National Prosecution Service that these cases is sufficient for filing and for the conduct of the preliminary investigation.
So there has been no preliminary investigation proper yet?
Yes, ma'am. It's about to begin.
So it's just about, we're talking here about the evaluation stage.
Yes,
by
Your
the
Honor.
National Prosecution Service
Yes,
before
Mr.
it launches a formal preliminary investigation stage.
Yes, ma'am.
And how many exactly are the missing Sabungeros?
Based on record by the police, there are 34 missing Sabungeros that were declared and reportedly missing in 8 incidents in 2021 and in 2022.
34 Sabungeros, 8 incidents.
Yes.
And this could be just the minimum number.
Yes.
So you have reason to believe that there could be more of the Sabungeros missing.
Yes, Mr. Chair. According to our witness, there are more than that of the 34 missing Sabungeros. And because 34 is just the official record of the police, of the PNP.
Official record of the PNP.
Yes, ma'am.
And you
Yes,
can only rely on the official records of the law enforcers like the PNP.
Yes, Your Honor.
How many exactly? Do we have a picture or do we have a number of police officers or law enforcers involved or have been implicated?
I don't have here the official document about the cases filed against those involved PNP personnel, but I believe the representatives from the PNP can answer the exact number of PNP personnel involved.
Mr. Chair, can we have the answer of the PNP if they know the answer? I'm just curious about how many law enforcers are now being investigated or are supposedly linked to the case of the missing Sabungeros.
Mr. Chair, on our record, there are 18 PNP personnel involved in this case.
And these are what? Police officers? I mean,
Yes, Mr.
what's their rank? What's the highest ranked police officer that has been who has been implicated?
The highest ranking officer involved is a police colonel, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, of course, we're all interested with respect to the whistleblower. DOJ, just a follow-up to the question of the Honorable Pimentel.
Yes, Your Honor.
What's the status of the application for Witness Protection Program? First, please confirm whether or not there has been a formal application for the WPP coverage of this whistleblower.
I
And I'm-
believe the formal application for the coverage of the witness protection program on our whistleblower is still on the process. And because based on the Republic Act 691-981, which is the Witness Protection and Security Benefit Act, the witness can only apply under the witness protection program once the case has been evaluated by our prosecutor. And we are still waiting for the official document about the conduct of the preliminary investigation.
we are talking.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
According to
Go ahead,
our police counterpart, the witness is very much secured as of today.
please. Okay, so we're talking here about Julie Dondon Totoy Patidongan,
Yes, Your Honor.
and is now very much secured under security
By the-
protection
By the police.
by the PNP.
By the PNP.
So since there's still no official coverage of that witness under the WPP,
None yet, ma'am.
you cannot gain custody.
Yes, Your Honor.
The DOJ, or
Yes.
specifically the WPP office,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
not even on a provisional
None yet.
status, pending the evaluation of the application for WPP coverage?
I cannot answer for now that question, but as far as I know, there's no official coverage for witness protection program for our witnesses yet.
No official coverage yet, notwithstanding the very importance and the urgency of the matter. I think there's no doubt that something like this is definitely urgent. And we expect, of course, DOJ to act swiftly on this, because we're talking here about the safety, security of that witness and the possible involvement of big personalities.
Yes, Mr. Chair, but we are very much confident that the PNP had committed to provide security coverage to our witnesses.
Okay, insofar as the DOJ is concerned and its attached agency, NBI, the NBI is not at all involved in the investigation of this particular case, but only PNP?
No, Mr. Chair, they are also supporting the PNP investigation on these cases. They are also conducting parallel investigation on missing Sabungeros.
Because of course, the so-called revelations, the revelations of Patidongan are quite serious and quite alarming, and that I would assume that both the NBI and the PNP, as investigative agencies, are actually serious in validating, verifying, confirming those serious allegations and accusations of Mr. Patidongan. My point is, of course, I don't think you are at liberty to disclose exactly the findings, preliminary or otherwise, about the investigation. I just wish to express here that I hope that the current investigation being made by both NBI and PNP actually cover big fish or influential or big personalities allegedly involved, as revealed by whistleblower Patidongan. So this body can be assured by PNP and NBI that you're not just looking at the middle level or the low level alleged perpetrators, but also any other personality that who has been linked to this case.
Mr. Chair, on behalf of the Philippine National Police, I give the full commitment of the agency in pursuing this investigation until the end.
Okay, just one manifestation. Thank you so much. Just one manifestation. I also wish that the DOJ would speed up its evaluation process with respect to the WPP coverage of the whistleblower. Thank you very much. Mr. Chair?
Thank you, Congresswoman De Lima. Meron lang akong gustong itanong sa ating PNP, no? Meron akong balita na malaking pera ang gustong ibagsak nung maimpluwensyang tao sa Philippine National Police. Meron pa kayo balitang ganyan?
Mr. Chair, we are not aware of that.
We're not aware of that. Pero nabalitaan namin na magbabagsak ng malaking pera yung idinimanda ng DOJ, di ba? Kayo ba ng demanda nun? ASEC?
Based on record, sir, there are 2 cases have been filed against the suspects of missing Sabungeros. One that happened in Manila Arena and one that happened in San Pablo City.
2 cases have been filed.
Yes, Your Honor.
To whom? Can you mention the names, please?
The CIDG had filed cases before in 2022 against Julie Patidongan, Mark Carlos Zabala, Virgilio Bayog, Roberto Matillano, Jonas Alingasa, and Johnny Consolacion. And this is the case of missing Sabungero that transpired in Manila Arena on January 13, 2022.
What was the case filed against them?
Kidnapping, Your Honor.
So those, the whistleblowers right now have been filed kidnapping, ibig sabihin na? Si Patidongan,
Yes, Your
mayroong
Honor.
siyang kasong kidnapping? So
Yes,
what
Your
you said?
Honor.
Until now.
Until now.
So therefore, with that, in line with the questioning of Congressman De Lima, you cannot, am I made to understand that you cannot put him in the witness protection program because of that case?
They are now on bail, Mr. Chair, and the study on whether he is qualified to become a witness is now being studied by the DOJ.
So they are not yet qualified to be a state witness.
But the CIDG had considered him as a witness, although there have been cases of kidnapping against them. Sila po kasi ay on bail ngayon, and he surfaced and revealed what happened on the real story about missing Sabungeros. That's why he is now still being considered as a state witness.
Okay, who are the other personalities that you filed cases to?
There are group of policemen who are involved in the missing Sabungero that happened in San Pablo City, Your Honor. But I'm sorry because I was not able to bring the proper document about this case.
Are those the 18 that are now in custody? Is that what you're saying? CIDG, can you answer that, please? Meron na kayong mga police in custody na kasama dyan sa missing Sabungeros, di ba?
They're not under our custody, Mr. Chair, but
They're
they're
not
under
under
preventive.
custody.
Yes, sir. They're under preventive suspension. They were placed under preventive
So,
suspension.
therefore, the newspapers were wrong when they said that they're under custody.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So what's the difference between being in custody and being under protection? Preventive suspension, that pala.
In restrictive custody, Mr. Chair, we have physical physical accounting on their bodies. In preventive suspension, sir, they're not performing the regular duties. Hence, because they have been suspended from work, but they are not under our restrictive custody, Mr. Chair.
So right now, what is the status of those 18 policemen that are under preventive suspension?
They are they are still under active service, but they are they are under preventive suspension, Mr. Chair.
Parang floating.
Mr. Chair, I'm sorry. 6 of those 18 have already been dismissed from the service.
They have been dismissed from the service.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Are they still receiving salaries and remunerations? Sino sasagot niyan? Attorney Ginisa
No,
ba?
Mr. Chair.
They're not receiving any more salaries.
No, Mr. Chair.
Kailan pa sila na-dismiss? Because you were telling us that they were under preventive suspension pa eh. Until such time that somebody told you about them being dismissed. When were they dismissed?
Mr. Chair, may I refer to the National Police Commission, sir?
Go ahead, Attorney Ginisa.
Yes, sir. Actually, there were 18 names, to clarify your question, Mr. Chair. There were 18 names filed, or at least implicated by alias Totoy.
18 what?
18 names of policemen, Your
18
Honor.
names, okay.
And,
Can you reveal those names to us in this committee?
yes, Mr. Chair.
Go ahead, will you please tell the names?
The first one is Police Colonel Jacinto Rodriguez Malinaw. Second is Police Lieutenant Colonel Ryan J. Eliab Orapa. Third is Major Mark Philip Simborio Almedilla. Fourth is Police Lieutenant Henry Samar Sasaluya. Fifth is Police Executive Master Sergeant Aaron Ezra Lagahit Cabillan. Sixth is Chief Master Sergeant Arturo Opalia de la Cruz Jr. Seventh is Senior Master Sergeant Joey Natanawan Encarnacion. Eighth is Police Senior Master Sergeant Anderson Orozco Abari. Ninth is Police Senior Master Sergeant Mark Anthony Aguilo Manrique. 10th is Police Master Sergeant Michael Jaistin Claveria. 11th is Police Master Sergeant Renan Lagrosa Fulgencio. 12th is Police Staff Sergeant Alfredo Uy Andes. 13 is Police Staff Sergeant Edmond Hernandez Munoz. 14th, Police Corporal Fabri Opalia de la Cruz. 15, Police Corporal Angel Joseph Pero Martin. 16 is Police Staff Sergeant Daryl Gaceta Paghangaan. 17th is Patrolman Rigel Sanggalang Brosas. 18th is Patrolman Roy Magdayo Navarrete. Since not all of them are in active service, we're only able to file formal charges against 12 of them, Mr. Chair.
What are the charges filed against them? What is the very reason why they were dismissed?
There are multiple reasons for those who have been dismissed prior to the NAPOLCOM filing, Mr. Chair, if I may.
Go ahead.
Police Lieutenant Henry Samar Sasaluya was previously dismissed effective March 15, 2023, in admin case number NIAS NMP 22-073 for grave misconduct, grave irregularity in the performance of duty, grave dishonesty, and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. For Police Master Sergeant Michael Jaistin Claveria, he was dismissed for 2 cases, effective December 29, 2022 for the first case in admin case number NIAS NMP 22076 for grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer, and another case effective March 15, 2023 for admin case number NIAS NMP 22073 for grave misconduct, grave irregularity in the performance of duty, grave dishonesty, and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. Another policeman, Police Staff Sergeant Daryl Gaceta Paghangaan, was previously dismissed effective December 29, 2022 for admin case number NIAS NMP 22-076 for grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. Another policeman, Patrolman Rigel Sanggalang Brosas, was dismissed for 2 cases. The first one, effective December 29, 2022, for admin case number NIAS NMP 22-076 for grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. And another one, effective March 15, 2023, for admin case number NIAS NMP 22073 for grave misconduct, grave irregularity in the performance of duty, grave dishonesty, and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. And the last one, at least for the alias Totoy cases, is Patrolman Roy Magdayo Navarrete, who had 2 cases which caused his dismissal. First one is effective December 29, 2022 for admin case number NIAS NMP 22-076 for grave misconduct, conduct unbecoming of a police officer. And another one effective March 15, 2023 in admin case number NIAS NMP 2022-073 for grave misconduct, grave irregularity in the performance of duty, grave dishonesty, and conduct unbecoming of a police officer, Your Honor.